So if the point xy, which is 2, -1, is a solution to this linear system, if I plug in for the x and y's, right, both equations must make sense. So plugging in for the two numbers, I get 2a minus b has to be minus 7. And the other equation has to be 4a, right? Plugging 2 here is 2 times 2. And then the minus will cancel out this minus, so it's plus 3b. So this system of linear equations must hold true. So let's actually solve for this, okay? All I have to do is multiply this, right, top equation by 2. If I do that, I end up getting 4a minus 2b is equal to minus 14. Right, so let's look at only these two equations, okay? Subtracting these two, you can just cancel the a's and then solve for b. So 3b minus minus 2b is 5b. 1 minus minus 14 is just 15. So b must be 3. Okay, and if I plug it back into this equation here, because it's the easiest one, you end up getting that 2a minus 3 has to be minus 7. So adding 3 to both sides, right, you end up with just 4, or minus 4. So then a must be minus 2. Okay, so the a must be minus 2 and b must be 3 in order for this to be a solution to this system.